Hi guys, back again with another new video tutorial in which I will tell you about the incoming call problem in your device Vivo X80 Pro and X80. So if in this device you are having any problem related to the incoming calls, like calls are not showing on the display or you are not receiving them, you can fix this issue by the method that I will show you in this video. Before that, if you are new to my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can fix the incoming call problem in your device.